National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Culpeper, Fauquier, and Madison. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for southwestern Fulton County in northern Virginia, south-central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, Madison County in northwestern Virginia until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:36 a.m., numerous roads were reported closed in Madison, Culpeper, and southern Fauquier counties due to earlier heavy rains. Flooding is already occurring. This includes flooding continuing on the Robinson River and some backwater flooding on tributaries of the Rappahannock River near Remington. Some locations that may experience flooding include Culpeper, Madison, Bealton, Brightwood, Opal, Remington, Midland, Leon, Forbesville, Rava, Winston, Mitchells, Boston, Oak Park, Catalpa, Locust Dale, Twymings Mill, Haywood, Stevensburg, Aroda. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. The 10 a.m. observation.